Hey y'all, hey, I got one thing to say. T.I. done messed around and dropped this new CD or this new record. And he about to make those of you between the ages of 40 and 70 lose your mind. That brother said, I got my foot on the gas. Yep. He said he ain't even worried about number one. Cause that's the slot he's sitting in. He gonna let y'all fight over number two. I said that brother done put it down. He got us feeling like it's 1982 to 1989 out here. Pretty much. That's how we feeling right now. I just wanted to make sure that y'all knew that your sister's still up on it. All right. Click like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Just know, we got to let them know.